Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how I like to marble things. So I already have 240 milliliters of my Craft Resin, my favorite resin ever. So now I'm going to mix 3 different color pigment paste. This is called Tiffy Blue, this is white, and then I have my Dragon Fruit Pink. So I'm doing Tiffy Blue, white, and Dragon Fruit Pink. I think those colors will look really pretty together. So I'm just gonna mix these up real quick. We're back, I got them all mixed up. Now I got another cup. What I'm gonna do is start with one color, and I'm just gonna pour in a little bit at a time and go around with all the colors, rotating them. So then we're gonna do the pink. These are gonna be pretty colors together. Teal. And you're just gonna keep rotating them until you have enough. So I am using my Craft Resin. It is 1:1 ratio, but it is food safe, UV protectant, scratch resistant. There's no VOCs or BPAs, bubble free, non-toxic, all the good stuff. You can find Craft Resin linked in my link tree in my bio and create beautiful art with it. So there's our cool marble effect. Now we have the mold. These are called thinkers, or what I call thinkers. All right, so we are just going to kind of like to go sideways and just start pouring. I kind of like to go in a circular motion where you can, of course. And it's gonna be that pretty marble effect. And this mold does take about 240 milliliters to fill all 3 of them up. But tomorrow we'll be back and we're gonna demold these and see how these beautiful marble thinkers came out. Good morning, guys, and welcome back. This is Alicia with Epoxy Princess by Alicia, and we are demolding the marble effect thinkers that we poured with the Tiffy Blue, the Dragon Fruit Pink, and the white. So let's see how the marble effect turns out. Oh wow, that's beautiful. So pretty. The way that the colors don't mix up too much. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. So this is the marble effect that we did on these thinkers. They are absolutely beautiful. We did these using the Craft Resin. Amazing. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.